G'day guys, I'm so excited, I can't believe it. Video Robot is here, finally here. Wow. What I want to talk to you about is you've got to join the webinar that's starting on the 7th of this month. Todd and Paul have done an amazing job. You won't believe the free giveaways that they're going to give just for attending the webinar. Josh? Well, Josh is one of the avatars. He thinks he's a really good looking dude. I'll let Josh say a few words.
I am a video robot avatar. There are over 300 templates, avatars, whiteboard video templates, and my favorite, blank canvas video templates. But no one is good looking as me.
Good on you, mate. Santa, my favorite.
What about me? I'm your favorite, aren't I? I am a Santa avatar.
He's just awesome. He's just such a nice guy. But this is an example. This is just two examples of incredible avatars. Anyway, I'm going to give you over to Todd, and he's going to explain to you the most amazing. You just need to attend the webinar and be a winner. It's amazing what you're going to get just for showing up. Click that button down below, or the link down below if you need to. Go to it right now. Don't miss out.